Since 1978, we've been chasing something bigger. Not trophies on a shelf, not headlines in the news, not banners hanging from the ceiling. We've been chasing trust, one family at a time, one vehicle at a time, one promise at a time. Because every morning, thousands of people put their families, their jobs, their dreams, and their futures into the vehicles they drive. And that's a responsibility we never take lightly. From the streets of Placentia to Orange County, to the roads that connect all of Southern California, we show up every day, ready to help, ready to listen, ready to serve. And that's what built this shop. Not luck, not shortcuts, not empty promises. People, amazing people, service advisors who care, technicians who never stop learning, leaders who never stop growing, a team that believes excellence is earned, not given, because champions aren't born, they're built. One decision at a time, one repair at a time, one customer at a time. And every inspection, every diagnosis, every recommendation starts with one simple belief: we test, we don't guess. Because confidence comes from knowing, not hoping. And when a customer walks through our doors, they aren't treated like a number, they're treated like family. The worried parent, the hard-working contractor, the commuter, the student, the small business owner, the fleet manager, the weekend adventurer, the first-time driver. Every story matters here. Every journey matters here. Every person matters here. That's why we invest in training, in technology, in our people, in our culture, in becoming better tomorrow than we were today. Because excellence isn't a destination, it's a road, and we're still traveling it. The road to number one, the road to trust, the road to reliability, the road to leadership, the road to service, the road to excellence. And every mile of that journey has been built by the people standing beside us. The customers, the community, the families, the businesses, the supporters who believed in us, who trusted us, who shared our name, who told their friends, who came back again and again. And because of you, Placentia Super Service became something special. National Top Shop 2025, Best of Placentia 2025, number one in the country. But the award isn't the story. You are the family who needed help before vacation, the parent driving home safely, the fleet vehicle that stayed on the road, the student making it to school, the entrepreneur making another delivery, the grandparents visiting the grandkids, the everyday heroes behind every steering wheel. That's who we do this for. That's who inspires us. That's who keeps us moving forward, higher, stronger, together. Whether it's a European vehicle, a domestic vehicle, an Asian vehicle, a Japanese vehicle, an import vehicle, a hybrid, an electric vehicle, a Tesla, a fleet vehicle, or the truck that helps build America. Our mission remains the same: deliver excellence, deliver excellence. Create trust, serve people, and make it easy to do business with us. Because no matter the road, no matter the weather, no matter the challenge, no matter the miles ahead, you deserve a team that stands behind you, a team that cares, a team that listens, a team that serves, a team that never stops improving, a team that believes the next chapter can be even better than the last. So here's to the journey, here's to the families, here's to the community, here's to every vehicle we've helped helped keep moving. And here's to the road ahead, because the future is bright, the mission is clear, and together we're just getting started. Placentia Super Service, the friendlier and more helpful auto and fleet repair shop. Built on trust, driven by excellence, powered by people, and forever committed to helping our community stay safely on the road.